In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best free AI apps that can make your phone smarter, boost your productivity, and help you get more done every day. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is perfect for writing emails, answering questions, brainstorming ideas, summarizing documents, and even helping with coding. It's one of the most versatile AI assistants available. Number 2. Google Gemini. Gemini integrates with Google services to help you research topics, generate content, plan trips, and answer questions using Google's AI. Number 3. Microsoft Copilot. Copilot combines AI chat with image generation, document assistance, and web search, making it a great all-in-one productivity tool. Number 4. Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI provides accurate, source-backed answers for research, learning, and staying up to date with current information. Number 5. Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly lets you generate AI images, create stunning graphics, and edit photos using simple text prompts, all from your phone. That's it. These are 5 of the best free AI apps that can turn your smartphone into a powerful productivity tool. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.